What's up Kellies, it's your girl Kiki and today's video is specially dedicated to low porosity hair. I'm going to be showing you the best practices and some product recommendations you can use for a great low pore wash day. We start off on an old twist out so my hair isn't too dry or built up. I hop into the shower to wash and rinse my hair under the water. Please keep in mind that my hair is more medium porosity, so it doesn't take as long to get saturated with water as someone who has low porosity hair. I just got my lashes done and the water got in my eye and oh my god, it stung like hell. Anyway, the shampoo I used today was a pH balancing shampoo by K18. This is a great one as it cleanses really well but it doesn't dry your hair and it's meant to balance the scalp, which I feel like it always does. If you have low porosity hair, you need to make sure you shampoo as this will be the best way for your products to be absorbed and maintain good hydration overall. I just focus on my roots first and then I begin gently separating my hair so it doesn't get too tangled. This just makes it easier when it comes to applying the deep conditioner. I also go in with my scalp scrubber because I don't fully trust my shampooing technique without it. This does a really good job of cleaning my scalp. Usually I would recommend doing 2 shampoos if you have a lot of build-up, but because I co-wash midweek I didn't bother. Next onto the deep conditioning mask. This one I'm using is great for hydration and softening. It also has a little protein in it. If you are protein sensitive, you may want to opt for something with no protein in at all, but I do recommend this mask otherwise. Be sure to apply your deep conditioner or mask when you are in the shower, so that the steam helps the conditioner to penetrate the hair easily. I would always suggest doing this regardless of your porosity. Once this is detangled, I twist it up into 2 sections and wrap my hair in cling film. Then use my microwavable heat cap for further enhancement of the deep con. If you don't own one of these and you have low porosity hair, then you need to get one. It was literally so cheap off Amazon. This was my hair after rinsing off the product. It looked really shiny and it was so soft. I made sure to rinse it with lukewarm water. Also, low porosity hair does not like cold water, so don't make this mistake. Sectioning off my hair so it's ready to style. I always part into quarters, then work horizontally starting from the bottom. If you don't want as much definition, you can work in larger sections or start off on hair that is damp, but I find doing it this way will allow your wash and goes to last literally the whole week. Opt for a lightweight leave-in that's going to absorb into your hair easily. This Miel product is perfect for low porosity hair. I'm then going in with a gel. Again, another lightweight product that works really well for the summer and it is humid proof. If you prefer more of a hold, I would recommend a heavy gel like Wet Lime Extreme, but I'd literally just rake this through and use a brush to create definition. For a little bit more hold, I'm using the Dew foam. This one's my favourite foam by far and great for definition and hold. You can use this one on its own, but it doesn't last too long, so I like to use it on top of a gel. If you're interested in seeing this one on its own, just click the card at the top of the screen. All the products I use today will be linked in my description if you are interested. Then after that I just repeat the same process all around my head. I applied a bit more water as my hair started to dry out, but again, if you have low porosity hair you probably won't need to do this step. This is the final result. It turned out really lovely and defined and moisturised. It did last me for about 5 days. Click the thumbnails at the end of the screen if you're interested in seeing my other tips for low porosity hair, and I will see you in the next one.